My name is Hannah.
And my name is Chloe.
And
we're the Puzzle Twins.
So today we're going to be doing this puzzle. It's called Wonderwoods, and it's 1,500 pieces. It's our third puzzle out of our 87.
Why we chose this puzzle, it's because it's colorful.
We don't know if all the pieces are here, so we're gonna find out.
We're also gonna find out how long it's gonna take us.
So this is actually our first 1,500 piece puzzle, and it's our biggest so far.
Puzzle redone. So this was a challenging puzzle. It took us 7 hours out of 1 week. why it was challenging is because it's really colorful, and there was more pieces, so it took us a longer time, though we still finished the puzzle.
So another reason that I don't like it is that the puzzle has really bad interlockings, like that.
I didn't. Why I like this puzzle is that it's like a picture of animals with homes. That
I also like about this puzzle is that it's like colorful and nice. Some of the colorful pieces were hard, but it was still like colorful and just like a basic puzzle, but also hard.
it was a really pretty picture. Thanks for watching. If you
like our video, please subscribe
for more. Bye.